Question is given 4 power x plus x is equal to 0. So we have to find out the value of x here. How we can find out? Let's see solution. Four power x plus x, right, equal to 0. This is given. So we can write this 4 power x is equal to minus x. Now we can do here one thing, taking 1 upon x in power. Taking 1 upon x in power. Then we will get 4 power x, and we have to take here power. 1 upon x is equal to minus x power 1 upon x, because we have to take this power in both sides. Now 4 power x divided by 1 upon x, so this will cancel here. Therefore 4 is equal to minus x power 1 upon x. Now we can write this minus x power 1 upon x is equal to 4. Now let's consider some equation here. 1 upon x. This 1 upon x is equal to, if we are considering 1 upon x is equal to minus y, right? Then minus x equal to, we can write 1 upon y. Minus x is equal to 1 upon y. And 1 upon y. Now x is equal to, we can consider here x is equal to 1 upon minus y, right? Here minus x is equal to 1 upon y, then x is equal to 1 upon minus y, right? Now if we are considering these things, then we will get here, you can see here 1 upon x. So this we can write x power 1 upon x. Here minus x, so this minus x we can write here, minus x is equal to 1 upon y. So 1 upon y power 1 upon x. So 1 upon x is equal to minus y. So here it will become minus y is equal to 4, right? Now this is 1 upon y. So we can write this y power minus 1, right? Y power minus 1, and here this is minus y is equal to 4. Now minus minus plus, so we can write this y power y is equal to 4. Therefore y power y is equal to, we can write this square of 2. Now base is same here, y power y, base is same here, y power y is equal to 2, and here also y equal to 2. So we can write this, therefore y is equal to, by comparing base and exponent, we will get here y is equal to 2. Therefore we can write x is equal to 1 upon y, right? Minus 1 upon y. We already, you can see here, x is equal to 1 upon minus y, and 1 upon x is equal to minus y. So here x is equal to minus 1 upon y. Now therefore we can write this, x is equal to, value of y is minus value of y is 2, so minus 1 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is the correct value. Now let's see, means we can let's verify this. Now let's verify. So here question is 4 power x plus x is equal to 0. This is given. If x is equal to minus 1 upon 2, we have to verify this value of x. So 4 power minus 1 upon 2 plus x, that is also minus 1 upon 2, question mark, this is equal to 0. We have to verify this value. So 4 power minus 1 upon 2, so we can write this 2 power 2, that is 4 power minus 1 upon 2, and here minus plus minus minus, so minus 1 upon 2, question mark, 0. Now this 2 will cancel from this 2, so we can write 2 power minus 1 minus 1 upon 2 question mark 0. So 2 power minus 1. So we can write this 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 equal to minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 0. So here equal to 0. Therefore, we can say here LHS is equal to RHS. So value of x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is the correct solution in this equation. Thank you.